Hello po mga kababayan, kamusta po kayong lahat? And once again, welcome back to another episode of Simply Talkies Vlog. Pag-usapan natin saglit mga kababayan, ito pong si Alice Gu at yung sinabi po ni JB Ejercito kasi may natagpuan po tayo, napakinggan natin yung kanyang kapihan sa Senado, no? At ito pong bansang China. Naku, talagang ang bansang China. Peste sa bansa natin, no? Itong mga nanggagaling dun sa mainland China nila. Hindi po yung mga Filipino-Chinese, no? Pero bago po tayo magpatuloy, tayo po ay magbibigay pugay at pasalamat sa lahat ng ating channel members, followers, subscribers, nagla-like at nagsishare ng ating mga videos, sa mga nagbibideo replay, sa mga nagsishare ng kanilang blessings through super chat, super stickers, and super thanks, sa mga kasama nating regular sa ating video premiere, live stream, at ganun din po, special shout out sa lahat ng ating OFWs, men and women in uniform, sa mga frontliners at sa mga guro, kay Elora, kay Tita Aurora, Suset, Miyu Maritel, Mighty Baisa, kay Ate Beth M, Doc Desi, Carclea, Hattori at sa iba pa po. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawa niyong suporta sa atin at follow and subscribe nyo na rin po itong ating second channel, Talkies Virador. So, may God bless us all. Ito na po, simulan na natin para hindi po tayo masyadong matagalan. Okay? So, dito po, unahin natin yung nangyari sa Senate hearing nung last Monday, no? O Tuesday. Sa Inquirer, Alice Gu confirmed as spy by Xi Zhejiang ex-cellmate. Oh, mukhang ibinunyag pala nung Chinese spy doon sa kanyang cellmate nung nakakulong sila. Ayan, in-interview po ito eh. Nagpresenta sa Senado, oh. Alice Gu was a Chinese spy, but not a special one. Regular spy lang siya. According to a certain Wang Pugi, who confirmed this to Senator Risa Hontiveros. Wang was a former cellmate of Xi Zhejiang, a self-confessed Chinese spy who is also a central figure in a documentary earlier released by Al Jazeera. Kasi alam nyo ba ang gagawin ni Alice Gu, yung kampo niya? Balak nilang kasuhan ang Al Jazeera. O yun. Good luck po, no? Wang said he is a good friend to Xi, adding that they stayed together in prison for 1.5 years. Wang said he was entrusted by Xi to handle some of the latter's declassified materials where he found Gu's classified documents. On Tuesday, the Senate panel of women led by revealed a Zoom interview with Wang, where he disclosed details about Chinese espionage activities. Ay nako, patay na. The content of the declassified file kept by Mr. Xi is large, and I only have declassified a portion about his authorization. Sabi niya, Alice Gu was a spy, but not a special one. It just happened there is a copy of her state security background there. Talagang may laman talaga. And her situation with Mr. Xi has a lot of similarities. That's all I can say. Because I'm not Mr. Xi himself, and according to my agreement with him, I can only reveal so much. Sorry, sabi niya. Wow. Wang was also asked if he's aware how Gu became a spy, to which he recounted the process earlier told to him by Xi when they were still in prison. First of all field agents recruited by state security nung China will have very detailed background information investigated, and there are also special hacking teams and hometown association and chambers of commerce in charge of overseas information collection. Wow, ang tindi mga kababayan. Including the secrets and weaknesses of some people that will be held in the background information. And this is the main method of controlling the field agents overseas by state security. About detail. For example, Gu Yuping's fake Filipino identity is such a secret and weakness that she can only listen to state security. Mr. Xi's experience is similar. Ayan. Hontiveros pressed Wang to disclose whether Gu was planted in the Philippines as spy when she was still a child or was only tapped to work for the Chinese government when she first became mayor of Bamban. Ito po yung sabi ni Wang. Her campaign itself was arranged by Chinese state security. Wow! Patay! Ayun. Ha? Wow. Sponsored pala. No? Inarrange talaga ng China itong campaign ni Alice Go noong 2022. Wow! Naku po mga kababayan, ang hirap nito. Alice Go, baon na baon ka na. O talagang kinonfirm po na si Alice Go ay isang Chinese spy. Paano mo to pasisinungalingan, Alice Go, or better known as Gu Yuping? Inisponsoran pa pala, inarrange pa pala ng Chinese state security ang iyong campaign noong 2022. O ngayon po, doon po sa kapihan sa Senado kahapon, kay JB Ejercito, ito po ang binalita ng GMA News Online. JB Ejercito, I met local officials, obviously from mainland China. Uy, may mga local officials na tayong talagang hindi mga Pilipino. Parang si Alice Go, galing sa mainland China. Wow! Ayun tayo oh. Senator Ejercito on Wednesday, he believes more Chinese citizens are holding local government positions. Some of them mayors and councilors across the country. Infiltrated po mga kababayan. I am a national official. May namimit din akong mga officials ngayon na alam mong Chinaman. Malalaman mo, I came from a Chinese school. I can distinguish yung accent at saka yung itsura of those who were really Chinoys, yung Filipino-Chinese. Yung talagang dito na pinanganak at dito na lumaki. At yung mga talagang taga-China man na tinatawag, yung mga talagang dayo lang. Oo, yung mga galing doon na ibinato ng Chinese security nila sa atin para mag-spy. Kamkamin tayo, mga gago. May mga ilan akong na-meet na nakapasok na elected officials. May mga LGU, mga nasa konsehal na siguro. Yung iba siguro mga mayor, parang mga nagmi-meet na rin. Parang mga na-meet na rin ako na mukhang di lumaki dito. Ay nako, na-distinguish ni JB, no? Patay na. With this, Ejercito said the COMELEC should be vigilant so we can prevent another Alice Go being able to run in our government. He also made the call amid the ongoing conflict with China in the West Philippine Sea. It's a wake-up call for us na hindi natin pwedeng baliwalain ito, bawalain lang. Itong Pogo issue, dapat wake-up call sa atin ito to be more strict with this. Yung mga tulad ng nangyari itong late registration, we have to put a plug in these holes para hindi na ito maulit and to make sure we are protected. Yung COMELEC nga, walang ginagawa, tutulog-tulog eh. Basta accept na lang ng accept na lang ng accept eh. Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo mga kababayan. Dapat magkaroon ng isang resolution o gumawa ng batas o whatever ang COMELEC to put a demarcation line. Hindi dapat ganito. Ewan ko. Bilanggo na nga, nakakapag-file pa. 'Di ba? Buti sana kung normal situation eh, but we are in conflict with China. Ayaw na mating mapasukan tayo dito. Baka mamaya pinaplantahan na tayo ng mga agents nila who will run as officials. Correct. Tama po si JB. Yun na lang sa West Philippine Sea, oh. Oh. Pati West Philippine Sea po na topic niya, no? Tama lang daw po yung Defense Posture Act ng Pangulo na kailangan tayo rin ang gumawa ng sarili nating mga defense supplies, no, sa military. Ganyan po. Yan, tama lang yan, no? Nang show pa, oh. Ito pa ang sabi ni JB dito ha sa GMA News Online. Ituloy natin. Alice Go floated new names in latest executive session. Abay, nag-executive session pa sila mga kababayan. New names were mentioned by dismissed Banban Mayor Alice Go in the last executive session, sabi ni Ejercito. Meron naman, Ejercito said when asked if there are new information that were gathered during the executive session. Siguro hesitant siya minsan. Siguro may naming names. Medyo natakot din siya. Tao lang, so there are some names that crop up. Oo. For Ejercito, the senator should be patient with Go as he noted that the dismissed mayor is also scared for her life. Totoo po yun, narinig ko po yun. Kasi mahirap ito eh. Kasi si Go, isang pawn. Alam nyo na kung may mga locals dyan, no? Mga politiko o whatever. With the previous statement of Go that she is just a victim, Ejercito said Go could be offered to become a state witness if she points to the real mastermind and most guilty in the illegal Philippine offshore gaming operators in Banban, Tarlac. Siguro, si Alice Gu and company just have to feel secured. Kasi ang target naman natin dito to get to the bottom of it, who are really behind. This is international crime syndicate. Talagang network ito. That's we want to pinpoint kung sino talaga. Ay, marami yan. Marami yan, mga kababayan. Sabi ko sa inyo, baka nga may mga politiko yan. May mga malalaking tao na nandyan. Kaya siguro tong si Alice Gu, hirap na hirap eh. Pero kung ano eh, spill the bean. Ilabas mo na ang katotohanan, Alice Gu. Huwag nang magtago kung pwede. Di po ba? Tama, mali. No? Huwag mo na nga maging ano ka pa. Gamitin ka ng gamitin. Mahirap po eh, mga kababayan eh. Pinatatagal mo eh. Lalo kang mai-stress out niyan. Ano mo na? I-rat out mo na. Di ba? O, eto pa, yung last article natin. Maiksi lang tayo, mga kababayan, no? Ito na yung sinasabi nila kanina, yung sinasabi nung si Wang, yung naging ex-cellmate ni Xi Jinping na confessed Chinese spy. Ha? China arranged Gu 2022 campaign for mayor. Yan po yung headline ng Philstar Global. May kinalaman po ang bansang China. Nakikialam ang bansang China sa ating bansa, lalong-lalo na sa election process. Piling nila pag-aari nila ang Pilipinas kasi po ang laki ng kayamanan ng Pilipinas pagdating sa natural resources. Rich po tayo sa natural resources, lalo na dyan sa West Philippine Sea. There are billions of dollars na pwede mong ma-harvest dyan. Kaya pinapasukan tayo ng mga Chinese national. Sabi ni Ejercito, alam niya kung sino yung Chinoy at hindi. Di po ba? At yung ilan nakapasok na tulad ni Alice Gu, marami pa sila. O, sino ngayon na nag-enable sa kanila? Sino ang mga tumanggap sa kanila? Sinong mga lokal? Mga Pilipino ang mga makapili. Di po ba? A Chinese national has corroborated the allegation of a self-confessed Chinese spy linking dismissed Banban Mayor Alice Gu to China's Civilian Intelligence Security and Secret Police Agency. Ayan. During the resumption of the public hearing on the Senate Committee on Women ni Hontiveros, Chinese Wang Pugi, claimed that Alice Gu mayoralty campaign itself was arranged by China's Ministry of State Security. Wang, however, did not provide additional details. He said he learned about Gu's being a spy from a tycoon and self-confessed Chinese spy Xi Jinping nung na-detain daw sila sa Taiwan. Gu won as mayor of Banban in May 2022 but she was dismissed by the Office of Ombudsman. Okay? Ito po, sabi dito ni Wang. Wang gave his testimony in Chinese but the video have English subtitles. He claimed that she entrusted to him classified yung nakakulong, ha? Including that of Alice Gu, who described as a Chinese spy but not a special one. Hindi nga special, tulad nung nauna nating sinabi. In his recorded interview, which ran for almost 10 minutes, Wang was asked about his association with Xi, yung nakakulong na Chinese spy, and how long he has known him. Ayan, nag-elaborate po siya dito. Ha? Alice Gu was not as special even as her file was found in Xi's files, according to Wang. Asked how he came to the conclusion that Alice Gu, also known as Gu Aping, is a spy, Wang answered, in fact, the content of the declassified file kept by Mr. Xie is large and I only have the classified portion under his authorization. Gu Yuping was a spy, but not a special one. Siguro nakalagay doon. Mababang ranggo lang. It just so happened that there is a copy of her state security background there and her situation with Mr. Xie has a lot of similarities. Ayun pala yun. Aray ko po. For example, Gu Hoping's fake Filipino identity is such a secret and weakness that she can only listen to state security. Ayan. So talaga, pinondohan po talaga. Pinondohan ng Chinese State Ministry o Security itong si Gu Yuping. Talagang nilagay po siya doon. No? Iniisa-isa tayo mga kababayan. Anak ng siopaw, Ay, naku po. Ang daming tie-up ni Gu Yuping sa China. Bakit hindi pa kasi mag-confess? Mag-confess ka na, Alice Gu. Hindi ko na po babasahin yung sa baba, ha, para hindi tayo mapatagal. Ha? Kaya Ano ba talaga, Alice Go? Sige na, confess mo na. Pinatatagal mo pang ang surprise eh. Tama na, humahaba na eh. Para magkaalaman na, ma-root out na ang mga Chekwa na itinalaga ng mga Chekwa sa ating bansa. Ma-root up na yung mga traidor. Para po ma-chastise natin ang mga walang hiyang ito. Sige na please, Alice Go, Sheila Go, mag-confess na po kayo. Dahil kami po ay banas na banas na. Patuloy nyo lang kaming niloloko. Pwede po ba? No? O kayo po, ano pong inyong masasabi? Comment down below and don't forget to like and share. Hope to see you on the next videos. Bye-bye. God bless.